Everyone, this is Hussein, minority leader from Boinpalli, Secunderabad. I would like to request Janab KCR Saab, Honorable CM of Telangana. I would like to also appreciate Janab KCR Saab that he has taken a great efforts to for the period of lockdown, and also a lot of hurdles were involved during this last 2.5 months. Definitely hats off to KCR Saab, law officials, hospitals, doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, and MIM leader Asudin Avisi Saab for helping out each and every locals, taking the calls of locals, helping out in every way, every matter, every situation. He has given his best efforts. Then I also thank him very much for his importance giving to the social public. Second important thing is that recently there was an announcement to open liquor shop on Telangana state. See, sir, as per my advice, I don't prefer, because what I see that in liquor shop, first of all, the negativity is that there is no social distancing. Lot of public is standing in queue. Most of the time they are spending in queue. Maximum, I think so, as per my guess, 2 to 3 hours. No social maintaining distances. Even law official, police is also maintaining the queue, but they are unable to control the overcrowd. So in this way, the pain which we have taken for 2.5 to 2 months, like will get into dissolve, will get into negativity impact. And I will request you to think. I will also request you to think and again think, sir, and as humble request from each and every community of citizen of Telangana, that to consider, if you are considering liquor shops to be open in Telangana state, kindly rethink and kindly issue the statement and rethink also to open the holy masses of different religions. I am comparing all the religions. Like example, I want to have involve Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isais, all the different religions which exist into Telangana, to give a permission. See, sir, we know how to maintain social distancing. We will assure you that we will maintain social distancing in every holy places. My option is that we will have one person outside of every holy masses to be, like, whenever any persons are getting into it, we will sanitize. And second thing, we want support from law officials. Third thing is that we want your support. That is very much important. And I also request to Janab Asudin Avisi Saab, MIM chief, to have a talk with Janab KCR Saab, because I feel that both KCR Saab and Asudin Avisi Saab can discuss and rethink this, reissue this matter, and they can issue the statements. And I believe that this will happen, this will be done. So I'm hoping, please rethink, and I request to every community of Telangana to kindly justify my statement and to support me on this, and to share the maximum so that it can reach us to KCR Saab as well as to Asudin Avisi Saab. Thank you. Jai Hind.